In today's video, I am going to teach you how to collect emails using a custom Wix form. Start by going to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you are in, open your dashboard and choose the website where you want to add the form. Then click Design Site to open the editor. Inside the editor, go to the Add panel. From there, open the Contact and Forms section. Choose a form that fits your page and insert it into the area where you want visitors to sign up. After the form appears on the page, you can begin customizing it to collect the information you need. Keep the form simple and focused. In most cases, you will want at least a name field and an email field. If the form includes extra fields you do not need, you can remove them. If a field is missing, you can add it so the form matches your goal. Next, click on the email field and review its settings. Make sure it is set up as an email input, so Wix can validate the format correctly. This helps prevent visitors from submitting invalid addresses and keeps your email list cleaner. After that, adjust the design of the form so it matches the rest of your website. You can change the layout, spacing, colors, fonts, and overall style. A clean and consistent design makes the form look more professional and helps it feel like a natural part of the page. Once the design is ready, open the form submission settings. This is where you decide how you want to receive the entries. You can connect submissions to your Wix dashboard, so responses are stored there, and you can also set up notifications so you know when someone fills out the form. Make sure the destination for submissions is active and working properly. Now check the Submit button. Your form should include a clear button that visitors can click to send their information. If needed, edit the button text so it matches the purpose of the form, such as join, subscribe, or submit. Before you publish, preview the form to test how it works. Use the preview mode and check both the desktop and mobile versions. Fill out the form yourself and confirm that it accepts entries correctly, displays well on different screen sizes, and sends the submission where you expect it to go. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your form will then go live, and you can start collecting emails from visitors on your site. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.